Looking for new ways to boost your Shopify sales? Today, I'll share with you one easy to implement hack that can literally grow your sales overnight. Hello everyone, my name is Kate and I am the CRO expert at OptiMonk. In today's video, I'm going to show you one optimization tactic that almost no one knows about, even though it's super easy to implement and is capable of providing the highest return of any investment you could make this year. Let's get right into it. Like many online stores, you could spend lots of time and money obsessively optimizing your PPC ads and crafting personalized email and SMS campaigns. While you should definitely take these steps, don't forget it's not going to be enough. You can't endlessly optimize your PPC ads and messages. Believe me, sooner or later, you'll find your returns diminishing. The on-site experience of your customers is where you probably lose the most of your money. If you're like most marketers, you set up one basic pop-up campaign with a 5% conversion rate, and that's where your on-site personalization efforts end. A customer's interest in your brand is highest when they click on your ad. After all, that's why they click on it. But your window of opportunity to convince a visitor to make a purchase is very short. It's because this initial surge of interest fades quickly. With on-site personalization, you can make sure that each and every visitor receives the most relevant message at the peak of their interest level. So personalizing your email and SMS flows is a great investment. It can lead to triple-digit growth in click-through rates and open rates. The same is true for your on-site messages and your conversion rate. The main difference is that while your emails are received when the customer's interest has already significantly decreased, your personalized on-site messages reach them where their interest is the highest. As a quick start, we recommend replacing your one-size-fits-all 10% off welcome pop-ups with more personalized on-site messages that are tailored to each of your key visitor segments. You can create different messages for low-intent visitors, high-intent visitors, and returning customers. Let's see an example for each of these segments. For low-intent visitors, you could provide a useful ebook that offers more information on the problem they have. High-intent visitors are probably browsing your product pages or already added a few items to their cart, or want to leave without finishing the purchase. For this segment, you could display a pop-up with a special discount to convince them to buy your product. And your returning customers, you could use a welcome back pop-up that displays your newest products or promotes your seasonal sale. And what will be your instant win here? There are actually several wins. Your loosey 5% pop-up conversion rate will at least double. Your customers won't be annoyed by seeing an irrelevant message, and your instant sales will increase. Not a bad return for 15 minutes of your time. If you are interested in learning more about on-site personalization and getting more out of your website traffic, download our guide at optimal.com/CBO. It contains more than 30 on-site personalization strategies that you could deploy today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.